NWC, network cable. QAC assembly jig for NL type. Insert the cap through the optical cable. Strip the outer cable jacket to the length of over 55 millimeters. Arrange the aramid yarn. Remove the sheath of 0.9 millimeter optical cable by the use of stripper, excluding approximately about 2 to 3 millimeters. Remove 0.25 millimeter fiber coating by the use of backside for fixture tray. Clean the part of removed by the use of an alcohol wetted swab. Cut off the 0.125 millimeter fiber, excluding 10 millimeter length by cleaver. Open up the part of microscope. Install fixture tray by above followed direction. Open up the fixing clip of the cable. Arrange yarn and insert the cable to fit with its standard. Put down the fixing clips to fix the cable. Check out the stripped and cutting length of the cable by arranging the guide section. Close the part of microscope. Check out the surface of optical fiber through the part of lens. Optional choice available. Open up the clamp cover and connector fixing clip. Insert the connector into assembly jig. Down the connector fixing clip to fix the connector. Separate fixing tray by pulling through the above direction. Arrange the end of optical fiber on the assembly jig rail. After the arrangement, insert the fiber until it bends. Down clamp cover. Release optical fiber bending. Open up the connector fixing clip and cable fixing clip. Separate the connector from assembly jig. After the arrangement of the yarn, tighten the cap to assembly with the connector. Remove the yarn exposed out. NWC, network cable.